Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. As you can see, we're trying to find the positive root, meaning the x. This is a polynomial equation, as you can see, with different powers. Alright, so there's no free body diagram. This is just an equation. Step 2 lists all the given values and unknown. So the unknown is x, and the given value is the equation from the question, which is the polynomial equation. So you got three options. It says use software. So you can use your graphic calculator. You can use EES, which is what most engineers use for thermodynamics. So engineering equation solver. Most universities will have a free license for you. If you don't have it, you can always use Python. And I've got Python and EES available. Alright, so by available I mean the code. Step 3, EES code. So just plug this into your EES program and you will return a value. So find x. X is 1.5 0.8799406. Doesn't have any units, so that's just a number. Okay, continue below for Python. So the Python code and EES will be in the pinned comment. If it's not there because the comment is removed, you can pause this video and type it out yourself. So here's the code. I'll scroll down slowly just in case you need to type it out. Okay, and that is the code. So before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using the snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, you can follow the instructions. Click on the snipping tool icon on your taskbar. If it's not on your taskbar, you can type in search, your Windows search, type in snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Once you have snipping tool open, click on video option, then click on new. Then left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button on your snipping tool. Wait for the countdown, then hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square on your snipping tool, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if I made a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.